Hello and welcome to Zimbabwean Media. Zimbabwean Youth Minister Tino Machakaire has hit back at online reports about his personal life, calling them grossly misinformed and speculative. The response came after outlets published stories on his background and political rise. You have no personal knowledge of my life. I am accountable for my work and results, not narratives about my personal life, Machakaire posted. He added, no amount of mud-slinging will separate me from my president, Comrade Dr. Mnangagwa, and ZANU-PF. My loyalty is firm. Machakaire went viral recently for telling youth to chase entrepreneurship instead of waiting for government tenders. He claimed he has never received a tender himself, sparking huge debate online. Supporters praised him, critics were drowned out. For more stories, please do like and subscribe.